almost finished, but their time is coming up, so they need to protect their future by planting more trees.
Na kama njia mojawapo ya kuinua wafanyabiashara wa kiwango cha chini mjini, shirika la ukadiria ubora wa bidhaa nchini KEBS limetangaza mbinu tofauti ambazo litatumia kuhakikisha kwamba wafanyabiashara hao wanainuka kiuchumi. Akizungumzia wito huo uliotolewa na mkuu wa ukaguzi wa bidhaa sokoni Peter Kaigwara kwenye maonesho ya awamu ya 7 ya ubunifu wa wanabiashara hao yaliyofanyika katika makao makuu ya shirika hilo hapa Nairobi.
We are coming up with a training of local MSMEs, and also we are help so that they can be able to do their businesses better, to improve the quality of their products, so that they can have access to markets. So apart from training, we are also making it easier for them to be able to get certification marks. With the KEBS certification marks, they are able to have the trust of the consumers.
We've worked with quite a number of micro and small enterprises, but one key that stands out is the micro and small enterprise that is manufacturing USB cables. He came to KEBS, he had no idea of where to start from, but we helped him, coached him, worked with him on the requirements of the standards, and now he's one of the leading producers of USB cables.